What's wrong, Joe?
You're about to cry.
Looks like you're in a predicament.
What am I supposed to do?
Calm
I'm
down.
not even trying to get dead. It's ridiculous. I can't move or anything.
Probably if you move, it'll fly away. Like, just
Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Oh, I'm gonna go use that.
No, just stand up. Just stand up.
Oh, if you got the brown, it'll probably follow you.
Ooh.
What did it do? I don't know,
It just moved.
It moved more back. Here I
Just
go.
sit straight.
Here I go to the bathroom. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'll be right
Just
back.
stand up.
I'll be right back, I promise.
Just stand up slowly. What's up, bird?
Chill, bird. I'm afraid he's gonna poop on me.
Yeah.
He's gonna get mad if you don't.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Here I go.
Maybe I'll- YouTube later.
We gotta call him. Give him a cracker or something.
I don't like crackers.
What is it like?
Give him
Give it bird food.
a bug. You can't feed him like crickets. Oh, that gave me goosebumps. I'm in a tree.
I thought
Stand up.
that's what.
Trying.
Or sit back straight.
Just drop your shoulder. Just go. No, because he's gonna bite me. How? He's gonna bite you from that.
There it goes. Finally.
What do you want?
Finally.
Where'd he go? Damn, that was scary. That's not at all.